Hey, good morning. This is the first homework assignment for the week of May 11th. We're in the acids and bases unit. And most of the things we're going to do today has to do with pH. So what I want to do is just real quick, draw you a little pH scale. So that we can kind of keep everything straight as we work through. So in the middle is 7. It goes from 0 to 14. Yes, it can get to 0. Anything below 7 is an acid. Anything above 7 to 14, is a base. Now 7 is neutral. Okay, so a pH of 4 would be an acid, and a pH of something like a 10 would be a base. So as we work through these problems, we have to keep that in mind. First problem, I'm going to do all the odds again. The pH of a solution was found to be 8. So what is the solution? Well, it's above 7, so it's a basic solution. Number 3, I don't have my 14 on there. There we go. Number 3, the pH of a solution is found to be 7. Well, 7's right there in the middle, so that's a neutral solution. Number 5, the pH of the solution was found to be 12. Well, I told you anything above 7 is it's a base. Okay, so let's remember how easy it is to convert these concentrations into pH. Remember, what you do is you ignore the sign right here, and you take that number, and that becomes your pH. So a pH of 11 is what? It's a base. Ooh, lucky you, I did an even one. Number 7, 13 is my pH, so that means that's another base. Number 9, 8 is the pH. Well, 8's really close to 7. Is that neutral? No, it's not. 7 is neutral. 8 is a base. All right, number 11. Which of the following is most acidic? Well, I like to convert these, if they're in concentration, to pH to help me figure out which one's most acidic. So for this one, the pH would be 4. For letter B, the pH would be 11. And here, the pH would be, pH would be really strong. It would be a 1. So which one's the most acidic? That would be letter C, with a pH of 1. Number 13, which of the following solutions is closest to neutral? Well, what's neutral? Neutral is going to be a 7. So let's see which one's closest to 7. So I'm going to convert this to pH. So here my pH is 5. This one, pH is 6. There I've got a pH of 1 there, which we know is not neutral. And then here I have a pH of 12. Which one's closest to neutral? That would be B, because it's the closest to 7. Okay, number 15. A substance which turns blue litmus paper red or causes no change in red litmus paper. Okay, those are acids. Okay, blue litmus paper will be turned red in an acid, or it won't change a red. Now, if you have blue litmus paper, if blue litmus paper stays blue, or red litmus paper turns blue, blues are bases. Okay, they both start with B's. That's how I remember. Okay, last one, number 17. A household cleaner has a hydrogen ion concentration of 10 to the minus 12 molar. It is it a base, acid? Base, acid. I'm not really sure. Let's see. So 12 would be a pH of 12. So we know this is a base, so that's not an answer, and that's not an answer. So it's a base, so what would it do to litmus paper? Bases go blue. There you go. Okay, well, I hope this helps. Finish up your homework. Acids and bases are very important. These are things that you'll encounter in everyday life, and it's nice to have an idea of what's going on. Thanks.